Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll be making a traditional Madhubani painting. So let's begin. So Madhubani painting is also known as Mithila painting and it is from Bihar. So before we start painting, you can search Madhubani painting on the internet and you'll find so many pretty and colorful designs. And if you look at them closely, then you'll see that the motifs are very easy and simple to make. It has the most easiest and colorful motifs, and I think if you're a beginner then you can paint it very easily and have an amazing traditional painting ready for your home. So for making this painting you can use a canvas or even a drawing paper. Now with the help of a pencil, I'll draw a rough design on the canvas. Traditionally, bright colors like green, red, yellow and blue colors were used because they were naturally extracted from the environment. But now as we have so many colors with us, so you can paint using any color of your choice. Madhubani painting or Mithila painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in Mithila region of India. The painting was traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts, but now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas. So now when the base of the painting is ready, we'll make fine outlines and borders to the painting. You can use brush and black acrylic color, and to make it really easy, you can also use sketch pen or a permanent marker for making fine outlines and giving finished look to the painting. Madhubani painting mostly depicts natural objects like the sun and the moon, along with the scenes from the royal court and social events like weddings. These paintings were especially made by the people in Mithila region during weddings and festivals. Give that authentic look to your painting by creating borders. If you have come across Madhubani painting, you will notice that they come in horizontal canvases or in horizontal shapes, and these canvases are hard to find. So we can make them at home. For this we'll take a cardboard and we'll cut it from the center. And now we have two pieces of cardboards ready, and now we'll use pasting or bukram. I have already informed you about them in my previous video. Now mix white glue and water together. And with the help of a brush, use it for applying it on the cardboard. Now our handmade canvas is ready. We'll use it for making Madhubani paintings. So I prepared these two paintings on handmade canvas. Once your painting is ready, you can give it for framing or even frame it at home like this. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you how to frame paintings at home. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.